National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, Warren County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northeastern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
along a
the line
line
extending from near Front Royal to 11 miles north of Sperryville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Front Royal, Linden, Chester Gap, Flint Hill, Hunley, Arco, Howells,ville, White Post, Riverton, Reliance, Carl, Glen Echo, Bentonville, Blue Mountain, Millwood, Nineveh, Bethel, Browntown, Shadarville, and Buckton. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yeah, I sure want to be killed by Flash. Yeah, Flash.